Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello guys, it is Nicholas back on your screen with a brand new video in Greenville, Wisconsin. In our video I never has played before. So welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. We are in Greenville. We're joining up in Southwest Florida. How you all doing? We're joining up in Greenville, Wisconsin. How you all doing? So, it is Nicholas back on your screen with a brand new video in Greenville, Wisconsin. And guys, don't forget to go check out my group. Go into Roblox and go on the groups. And here is my groups. I already have 3 members. Lincoln, Town Car, and a couple more people. So go ahead and join up that group. So guys, I know you can do this, but Lincoln, Town Car, it is 200th year in our channel. Happy 200th year, Lincoln. And we have a person here named Lincoln. How you doing, Lincoln? I'm doing good. How you doing, Nicholas? I'm doing good. So he won't be playing since he is at my house and he forgot his computer. So he will be on our video tomorrow and on live stream. So stay tuned for that. So how's everybody doing? Hello. Hello everyone. How are you doing today? It is me, Nicholas. Lavish. You can call me that. I know since they have been lavish. You guys, how did you like today's video? Was it a good one? Tell me down in the description below. Today's video awesome. We are happy June 1st. I have 8 more days remaining of school. 8 more days. So next week is my last day of school. It's gonna be fun. Tomorrow, remember, I began a live stream. So it's a long one. Lincoln, how you doing today? Doing good. Doing good. Alright, so Lincoln was free. Had to drive to my house. He lives at a different house, separate from mine. So it was a good one. So guys, I am gonna make content around 5 a.m. Eastern time. Now guys, it should be unlocked. Enter. Has been unlocked. So now we're going to change it to it's 10 a.m. How are you doing, everybody? Tomorrow live stream. Yes, I did make a video, but that was from yesterday. Oh, guys, we have to go check on this. We are heading down. Right now, we are how you are doing? It is not Memorial Day anymore. It passed. We're about to do it tomorrow. A huge video in a huge live. Guys, stay tuned. Have to very stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, it's done. Guys, we need to get to 100 subscribers before 2023. So let's get there as fast as we can. 2023. Alright guys, we are gonna look at this. Let's do a car show real quick. Let's do a car show with these fake cars all surrounded by. Okay, first up we have a beautiful Ford 9969. Pretty good car. I will give this car a 10 out of 10. It's a good car, and I would give it. My beautiful 97 Super Coupe. This car was on the road. I would give this car a 10 out of 10 also. I would give this car a 10 out of 10. It's a good one. I give that a 10 out of 10. Next up, we have a beautiful Camaro. I would say this Camaro would be a 9 out of 10. This Camaro would be a 9 out of 10, but I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. Haha, just lying. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Pretty good. It's a good car, but I don't think it's good in yellow. Not that good in yellow. Next up we have is a beautiful, beautiful Nissan 99. This car is pretty nice. It's a beautiful car. I would give this car, I'll give this car a 8 out of 10. Pretty good. Next car we're going up to is this beautiful. That car will be last maybe. Alright, now we have a beautiful 99 Nissan GTR. This thing is nice and beautiful. I would give this 100 out of 10. This thing is beautiful as it can be. I would give this a 100 out of 10. It's better than all the other cars. I love it. We are going down this way now. I know we're going over here. We're going over here. We're going on the highway. Alright, we have a beautiful 990 Super. This car I don't like. They drive terribly. So I'm giving this a 0 out of 10. So sorry, whoever owns this car. I'm getting it a 0 out of 10. It's bad. It's not good. I don't like it. With this car, we have a 94 Keystone Nissan. It's a good car, but I would give this a 4 out of 10. A 4 out of 10, not that good. 4 out of 10, not good at all. Should add more detail. Next up we have is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Ford Mindy Morsti car is pretty nice, but it's not that good. I don't like it that much. So guys, I'm gonna have to give this a 5 out of 10. It's not that good. I don't like it that much. I don't like it that much. Five out of 10, not good. Next up we have is that beautiful Mocaro. It's pretty nice. I like it. But my cousins have this, so I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. No. 8 out of 10. It's good, but I don't like it that much. 8 out of 10. And I think, right, now we're gonna go to the last and one of this car. Oh my god, guys! This is my dream car! This is my middle dream car. Wow. Guys, I am giving this a close one. I'm giving this one I'm giving it a 99 out of 10. I am giving a 99. $99 out of 10. And guys, the final beautiful car is over here, and then I'll be editing the video. We have a Ford Falcon 69. Pretty good. I give this car it 5 out of 10. So I hope you enjoyed today's short car show. If you did, make sure you like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to join the end. And let me do that again. So I hope you enjoyed today's short car show. If you did, make sure you like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to join the NL community today. And we will see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.